Hey guys, and welcome back to Natural Beauty. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today we're going to be talking about aloe vera, and we're going to be talking about different ways you can use to preserve your aloe vera. So keep watching, and if you enjoy my content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So let's get into it. Now, aloe vera can be absorbed quickly into the skin, and it promotes hair growth. It is also an excellent moisturizer for our skin. The only problem is that the aloe plant is so big that we often are left with extra that we don't know what to do with, or it goes bad before we can use it all. Even when it is stored in the refrigerator, it only lasts for about 7 days. So today I'm going to talk about 5 methods you can use to preserve your aloe vera for up to a year using one of the methods. Okay guys, before we talk about the methods, I'm going to go ahead and process our aloe vera leaf. Now I have 2 leaves here, and one leaf I've already cut the end off of it, and I've drained that latex out of there that all aloe vera leaves have, and you don't want to use that aloe vera latex because it's a type of a poison. So I'm going to remove this one because this one has not been processed yet, so I'm going to move that one off to the side. If you want to see what the aloe vera latex look like, I did another video on how I make my aloe vera oil, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in that video. So first you want to start by cutting your aloe vera into pieces. Then you want to go ahead and take these sharp points off so you don't cut your hands. And you want to be careful when you're doing this because this aloe vera is very slippery. So you don't want to accidentally cut your hand while you're doing this. Alright, this is our last little piece. Alright guys, next you want to take those pieces and cut those in half like this. Okay, now I have a bowl here, and what you want to do is take a spoon and you want to scoop all that gel into your bowl. Some people use a knife for this, but I feel like it's safer if you just use a spoon. Alright guys, now that we have all that beautiful aloe vera gel scraped out of our aloe vera leaf, I'm going to take this bowl over to my blender and I'm going to blend it up. So I'll be back after I blend this up. Alright guys, so I have our aloe vera gel all blended up. So I'm going to bring my bowl back in with the strainer. And you would just want to pour that mixture through the strainer just to make sure you don't have any clumps or any of that green leaf in there. Alright guys, now you see those little bits in there? So we've got all those little bits strained out. So the only thing we're left with is a nice smooth aloe vera gel. So let's discuss the first method for preserving your aloe vera. And for me, this is my favorite method because it's easy to do and it will stay preserved for around a year if you go about storing your gel the right way. And that is by freezing it. What you want to do is get an ice tray and fill up your ice tray full of your aloe vera gel and freeze it overnight. And once it's done being frozen, you want to take those aloe vera cubes out and dump them into an ice tray. And this method will preserve them for around a year. So you can put your date on your bag so you'll know what day you did this. And this method is good for sunburn, for for when you're out, you get sunburn, you could just take a cube out and rub it around on your area. Or if you want to do a mask, you could just take one of these ice cubes out and melt it for your mask. You can do a lot of with the frozen aloe vera. So that's the first method to preserving your aloe vera. The second method to preserving your aloe vera is by taking 1 liter of aloe vera gel to about 8 milligrams of vitamin C tablets. And if you don't have vitamin C tablets, you can use lemon juice as well. So what you want to do is make sure you crush up the vitamin C tablets until it's a fine powder and mix it into your aloe vera until you can no longer see the tablet. Or mix up your lemon juice with your aloe vera gel, and that will last you 6 to 8 months in the refrigerator. Process number 3 is the vitamin E method. And you can preserve your aloe vera gel by putting 1 liter of aloe vera gel to 6,000 IU of vitamin E. So just look at your bottle, and that will tell you how many pills you need to open to mix in with your aloe vera gel to preserve it. And I have a bottle of vitamin E here, so you can get a bottle like this and just put a few drops in to preserve it. And this will stay fresh in your refrigerator for 6 to 8 months. So you don't have to freeze it. You can just put it in the refrigerator and it's good for 6 to 8 months. The next method is the honey method. And the honey method is pretty easy as well, but that only lasts in your refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 months. But what you want to do with your honey is add 1 part aloe vera to 1 part honey. So you can get a honey like this and pour half aloe vera and half honey, and that will last in your refrigerator for 1 to 2 months. And you can use that for masks, you can use it for your hair. The next way you can preserve your aloe vera gel is by mixing it with gelatin. And what you want to do is get 1 cup of aloe vera gel to 1 1/4 cup of distilled water and 3 1/4 teaspoon of gelatin. And when you're making the gelatin, you go ahead and you boil your water, you mix your gelatin in the 1/4 cup of distilled water, and you let the water cool down before you add your aloe vera gel into it. And this will last you 6 to 8 months without any refrigeration. I hope I was able to show you guys a few new methods of preserving your aloe vera gel. I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!